In a bustling office, Bob realized he had a superpower, the ability to sense when he was about to sneeze. "Watch this," he boasted to his colleague Sarah. "I can stop a sneeze with sheer willpower." Sarah, skeptical, replied, "Prove it." Bob concentrated, his face contorting in a battle of wills. Just as he was about to succeed, his boss walked by. "Bob, are you okay?" the boss asked, concerned. Bob nodded, but the sneeze won. "Achoo!" Papers flew everywhere. "Well," Sarah laughed, "at least you know when it's coming." Bob grinned. "Next time I'll aim for the trash can."